Welcome to the UFS-NGS Bioinformatics Workshop 2025 for beginners. We are hosting about 30 students who will be equipped with basic bioinformatics skills. It's a 3-day workshop in which the focus will be on 16S metagenomic sequencing data analysis. We'll also be doing whole genome data analysis as well as viral metagenomics.
So given that this is a beginner's bioinformatics course, my expectation is that they just get a good grasp of the foundations of bioinformatics and using the basic tools like the command line.
Today we were working with the Linux environment, and I hope that this information will increase my marketability in the future, where I'm going to be looking for jobs next year, and also just in general to increase my knowledge. It's really been an amazing experience.
While we're very proud of our NGS unit, and we really are, it's a flagship at the university, and it's also a flagship not only in the faculty but also in the School of Biomedical Sciences. We're also very proud of having established the platform to enable research at this level.
Because it's bioinformatics, it has like a very generalized span and scope because you can use it in a lot of different fields. You can use it for diagnostics, research like protein interactions, statistics. It's got like a very, very broad scope. It's a good skill to have, especially if you're unsure where you want to go, because it gives you a lot of opportunities in different fields. What I learned today was that coding is very important in bioinformatics.
My hopes for the attendees is that they never stop, that they continue doing what they're doing. The more they dig into the big data that they will be dealing with, the more they will get to learn, and the more probably innovative ideas or even answers they will come up with at the end of the day.
I want to challenge you to think about how you can take the research forward and how you can ask the questions that will address your particular favorite current topic in a holistic manner.
My dream is to one day actually have my own laboratory, and with that I hope to also enhance the knowledge of other younger scientists, because I feel like South Africa has such amazing potential and we have such great minds in this country.
I'm very thankful to Diplomics, the NGS unit, Prof. Matinyaka, for giving me this opportunity.
This workshop has helped me a lot to pick up the project that I abandoned, which was looking at the whole genome sequencing of some Plasmodium falciparum from some countries, West African countries, and comparing to the database of other African countries. So I've abandoned it before because of lack of expertise, but now I picked it up. So thank you.